So, over to GoPro. Bear, you stay over there. That works too. Bear, sit. You're in my shot.
I mean, she wouldn't let me touch the box, so it's doubtful that she'll. What kind of GoPro did you get?
I got a Hero6 from, battery. Memory card. The 3-way, which is, I know, this is not nearly as exciting as camera, but I gotta hold out for last. Grip, arm, and tripod. I can never remember that. Alrighty, now for the big reveal. Alrighty, and the moment I have been waiting for all week. My GoPro Hero 6. Which eventually I'm gonna strap to this fur ball, but I'm gonna get a case for it before I do that because he's probably not gonna be easy on it, and I intend for him to get in the water. And even though it's water resistant up to 33 feet, I still don't trust my dog without a extra casing.
How can you not trust that? Oh, scratch. Oh,
Because he's not a reasonable being. Instructions. Ooh, that's actually a decal. Fun stuff. We can go with all the brewery decals. We need a place to put those. Ooh. And warranty. Always an important factor. He got the monkey out. Ooh, they did send me an extra battery. Cool. No. I promise I can figure out the camera even if I can't get it out of the box. So, there we go. That works.
Technology's hard work.
Yes. Yes.
Now, why did we buy this?
Because we are going to the Albuquerque Balloon Festival later this year, and I wanted something that we could record really good video with, where we go up in the balloon. I just hope I'm awake enough to actually use it, and we're planning on going on tons of hikes and hopefully going diving next summer. And all of that requires good equipment to truly capture it, and that camera, our Rebel T6, is not resistant.
No.
So we've got this little beauty now. I just gotta figure out how to use it. I might need the instruction manual. But I'm super excited. Hopefully I'll be posting a ton of videos from this thing. I'm gonna download the GoPro app so I can use their quick stories. I'm gonna get Adobe Premiere Pro so I can really, truly capitalize on the awesome video that I have with this thing. It will record in 4K at 60 frames per second, but that takes up a lot of memory, and I currently don't have a device that can play 4K video. So we might be recording in 2K or 1080p. But it also gets it has really high frames per second on those lower, what are they called? Lower quality video recording possibilities. Let's see, so we can get some awesome slow-mo video. Not sure what we're gonna do with that yet, but figure it out because why not? Anyway, I think that's all for now. I'm gonna let you guys go. Anyway, soon I'll be posting videos with this awesome little toy, and can't wait to see how you guys like them.